I guess this is the moment in the video where we pause and we'll talk about fire safety a little bit. We had some rags and stuff sitting back in the corner, and as we were grinding there, they end up catching fire. So make sure you're aware of your surroundings and where you're grinding at. Luckily, you know, slightly paranoid about fire, so since we do so much welding, cutting, and grinding and whatnot, we've got fire extinguishers on all four corners of the shop here and the walls and everything. So we grabbed one of those and put it out. A little bit of damage to some hoses and stuff back there, but luckily we caught it. Yeah, so don't catch stuff on fire.